welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abiola. Yes, in today's class we'll be learning how to make a hair bonnet wrap with elastic, and trust me, it's very easy, and in some minutes we are done. Now, our last class was on how to make hair bonnet wrap without elastic, so the link is on the description box below for you to view. So guys, let's get started. Okay, I have with me here two pieces of fabric. You can see these are pattern and plain. So the first thing for you to do now is to fold your fabric into four, which I have done here. You can see, fold into four, after which you will measure the radius. The radius depends on your preference, depending on the volume of your hair, but on the average is between 11 to 13 thereabout. But for this tutorial we'll be using 11. So what you will do is to measure 11 inches all around. Just measure it all around. So once I'm done measuring, I'll cut it out, place it on this pattern to cut out the same thing I have on this plate. I'll quickly do that now and show you. Okay, so I've cut it out. The next thing for us to do now is to open it up. Can you see? You open it up like this. Then you place right side facing right side. Place right side on right side. Then what we want to do now is to go and sew. Just make sure they align. Then you sew it on 1/2 inch all around, but mind you, leave like 2 to 3 inches open so that we can turn it out from there. Let me quickly do that now and I'll come and show you. Okay, as you can see, I've sewn it all around. I left 2 inches here to bring it out, but before that I want to notch. I will just notch all around. After notching, I will bring it out from this my 2 inches opening. I'll give it a very good press and come and show you. Okay, I've turned it out and pressed it. Can you see how lovely it is? So the next thing for us to do now is to measure 1.25. Why are we measuring 1.25? Because we are going to sew one again. We are going to make use of this elastic, and the width of this elastic is 1 inch. So but we're measuring 1.25 so that the 0.25 there is like an allowance for this elastic. So measure 1.25 all around, then also leave this open so as to bring it out. Then the next thing, I cut out a long strip of about 19 inches or thereabouts. Then the width, it's 7 inches. I'm going to fold it into 2. That'll give me 3.5. Then use 1/2 inch to sew. Then I'll be left with 3 inches. Then the length of this elastic is going to be the circumference of your head. The circumference I'm working with is 22. So what I will just do is to measure out my 22 and cut it out. So let me quickly go and sew my 1.25 round, sew in my bands, then I'll come and show you when I'm through. I've sewn the second stitch all around, the 1.25. I've sewn it all around. The next thing for me to do now is to insert my elastic into this my sewing. Then the band also, I have sewn it all around and I've pressed it. So let me insert my elastic. You just do it like this. When I'm done, I will show you. Okay guys, we are through with our hair bonnets. The remaining thing for me to do is just to you know, after inserting my elastic, just for me to close this up like this. Just fold it in like this. Can you see? And top stitch on it. That's all. Then you can just leave it like this. If you don't want the band, you can wear it like this. You can also attach this band. What you want to do is to get the midpoint. Just get the midpoint of the band. Then where you top stitch here, you can just, you know, after top stitching, everything will be neat. Then the midpoint of this band, just attach it here and just stitch down the middle. Can you see? And the third way you can do this is to attach your press button. You can attach your press button on this band and also here, so that you can make it detachable. So let me put it on for you to see how lovely our hair bonnet wrap is. So guys, I've tied my hair bonnet wrap. Can you see how lovely? Sorry, I don't have a mirror here, but I think it's beautiful. I believe it's beautiful. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share, and also make yours. It's very simple. Make yours and tag us on our Facebook page at Abiola Apparel. Thank you so much, guys. I still remain your girl, Abiola.